Hello and welcome to Hot Cross Buns Pizzicato. Pizzicato is the Italian word for plucking. Boom! But first, some coffee. How's it going? I know you're thinking, wait a second, I just want to learn to play the song. Oh, don't rush so much. Just stop and enjoy life a little bit. If you're watching this, you're probably pretty young and you're thinking, ew, coffee! Yum, coffee! Sometimes when you're older, you like different things. Well, anyway, okay, I'm Mr. Zach. Let's get started. I'm going to start by having you just warm up a little bit here before we play the song. I want you just to get used to what fingers we're going to need to use. So do this with your fingers. Make a little L with your right hand. And then put your thumb on the side of the fingerboard and pluck the first string all the way on this side. This is called A. So we play A. You also want to make sure your cello's in tune. That's pretty important. So if it doesn't sound like that, then go watch the video on how to tune it. But if you've got that part, then play it a few more times. I want you to go like this. We'll go A, A, A. That was 3 times. And now repeat after me. We'll do it 4 times and we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes it helps if I do a count off so we know when we're going to start playing at the same time. So I'll count to 4, nice and steady, nice and slow, and then after I count to 4, we'll start playing the string together 4 times. Ready? Okay, here we go. Get your finger on the string. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, not so hard, right? Okay, now this time when we play it, I want you to say oh, 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 or you could say 0, 0, 0, 0, because we don't have any fingers on the string, and when we play this in the sheet music, it's going to have the number 0 on that string, the A string. So here we go. Let's say 0 together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 0, 0, 0. All right. Now I'd like you to take your thumb and put it right behind the second white line. I'll get closer so you can see the lines. This is our first white line. Here's our yellow line. And here's our second white line. White or maybe a little gray. I think it's mostly white. And we'll put our thumb behind the neck of the cello just like that. And then when you find that spot, try to leave that there so that we can pull the hand back just a little bit and put our pointer finger right here on the first string on the yellow line, very close to where we put our nail, just like that. I'm going to press it down really hard. We won't always have to press it down so hard, but at first we have to press down pretty hard, right up against the string. And then we're going to take our L here, or it kind of looks like a little gun, like that. We can put that right there, and then pluck it 4 times. 1, 1, 1, 1. Did that work okay? Now you might want to take your finger off and just kind of stretch it out a little bit and try one more time. Press down right on the yellow line, real hard, right close to the nail, and then pluck that string again. 1, 1, 1, 1. And if you got that, then let's go on to number 2. I have 1 pressed down right here. And I'm going to have 2 pressed down right next to it. You got to stretch your fingers out a little bit like that so that it's also right down by the nail. Leave your thumb right there. So now notice that my thumb, it should be like this, so that my thumb is right behind where my middle finger is. So they squish together like that. Then we're going to play that note. And it goes like this. This is 2, 2, 2, 2. The next finger is on the red line. I've got all 3 pressed down. 1, 2, 3. That nice and hard. Your fingers will be spread out pretty far. Pluck that one like this. 3, 3, 3, 3. And if you can do that, then we can try hot cross buns. We're going to try 1 measure at a time. Here we go. The first measure is going to go like this. We're going to play. I'll play it, and then you play it after me. Ready? So measure 1 is 3, 3, 1, 1. Your turn. Then measure 2, you can take all the fingers off and just play 0, 0, 0, 0. Your turn. we're going to go to measure 3, put down 1 on yellow, 2 on white, 3 on red. We're going to do it again. We'll play 3, 3, 1, 1. I think some ice just fell off my roof. You might have heard a loud outside. It's winter right now. Maybe it's not winter where you are, but it's winter where I am. If you're in Australia right now, then it's winter where I am and it's summer where you are. But maybe it's a few months later and you're watching this and who knows, maybe it's fall or spring. Okay, let's see. Now I think we're on measure 4. I think we need to do, wait, I'm not sure which measure I was just on. I think we just did 3, 3, 1, 1 for measure 3. Let's do it one more time just in case. So we'll put down 1, 2, and 3. We'll go 3, 3, 1, 1. Life is like that sometimes, isn't it? Where you're just doing something nice and then something happens. Okay. Now measure 4 is just 0, 0, 0, 0. That one's nice because you don't have to use any fingers. Just one finger over here. Now line 2, we go to the top of line 2, and it's the same thing as measure 4, but this is measure 5. 0, 0, 0, 0. And my thumb is still on here, even though I don't have to use any fingers. I want to leave it there so that it's easier to find where I'm going to put my next finger for measure 6, which is 1, 1, 1, 1. Let's try this one together. 1 right on the yellow line, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1. Your turn? No, wait, we did that together. Oh, yeah, okay. And then measure 7, almost at the end here. We're going to go 3, 3, 1, 1. Your turn? And then the last measure is just 0, 0, 0, 0. That is the whole song. See if you can do the whole thing, lines 1 and 2, or measures 1 through 8, all on your own. And if you can do that okay, then you can go on to the next lesson where we're going to play the whole song, because the whole song has 2 more lines. Okay, give yourself a round of applause, and good job.